Hi! Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together.
Hi everyone. I am so happy to see you. Welcome back to Alphabet Yoga. Today, we are exploring the wiggly, wavy, and wonderful letter W. Are you ready to move? Before we start our W adventure, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a letter. Take a big breath in and let's go. Stand with your feet wide apart and reach your arms out like big wooden wings. Now, touch your right hand to your left foot. Then stand up and touch your left hand to your right foot. Imagine you are a giant windmill on a sunny farm catching the breeze. Keep those sails spinning round and round. Feel the cool wind you're making with your arms. Hold your position, we are almost there. You're such a strong spinning windmill. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, great job. Lie down on your tummy. Put your hands under your shoulders and push your chest up high. You are a giant blue whale breaching out of the deep, sparkly ocean. Lift your head to see the seagulls flying in the sky. Take a big whale breath through your blowhole. Hold your chest high above the waves. We are almost there. Imagine you're splashing back into the cold water. Stay strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so powerful. Step 1 foot forward and bend your knee. Then stretch your arms out wide and look past your front fingers. You are a brave W warrior. Your legs are like strong, steady tree trunks, and your arms are like branches reaching for the sun. Stay as still as a stone statue. You are so brave and focused. Hold your position, we are almost there. Feel your strong muscles working. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, you look amazing. Stand up tall and reach your arms high above your head. Now, lean your whole body to one side, and then the other. Imagine your body is a salty ocean wave crashing gently onto the warm yellow sand. Swish to the left, swash to the right. Reach way over. Feel the stretch in your sides like the water reaching for the shore. Hold your position, we are almost there. You're a beautiful blue wave. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, great swaying. Sit on your bottom with your legs straight out. Reach for your toes and gently tap your head toward your knees. You are a busy woodpecker tapping on a tall old oak tree. Tap, tap, tap goes your pointy beak against the bark. Keep tapping gently. Reach for those toes with your wings. Hold your position, we are almost there. You're finding a yummy snack in the tree. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, excellent tapping. Get on your hands and knees. Look up at the ceiling and stretch your back toward the floor. You are a wild wolf in the deep forest, howling at the big, bright, round moon. Awoo! Reach your chin high to the stars. Feel your strong wolf back stretching out. Hold your position, we are almost there. Keep howling at that glowing moon. Stay steady on your paws. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, what a fierce wolf. Lie flat on your tummy and wiggle your hips and your shoulders from side to side. You are a wiggly worm exploring the cool, dark garden foil. Wiggle through the dirt to find all your worm friends. Keep wiggling. You're so squishy and fast in the grass. Hold your position, we are almost there. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle those tiny bodies. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was silly fun. Stand with your feet wide and squat down low like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Reach your fingers out to the sides like you're touching sticky strings. Imagine you are a spider sitting in the middle of a giant silver W web. Hold onto your silk thread so you don't fall. Stay low in your spider seat. Your legs are getting so strong. Hold your position, we are almost there. Don't let the web wobble. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, super spider. Stand up and fold your body forward at the middle. Let your arms hang heavy and sway them side to side. Your body is a sparkling waterfall. The water is rushing over your back and splashing into a clear pool at your feet. Let your head be heavy like a raindrop. Just flow like the moving water. Hold your position, we are almost there. Feel the cool, refreshing mist on your face. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so relaxing. Sit on your bottom, lift your feet off the floor, and hold onto your knees. Try to balance right there. You are a little red wagon rolling down a bumpy, grassy hill. Keep your wheels steady so you don't tip over into the flowers. Balance, balance. Don't let your feet touch the ground yet. Hold your position, we are almost there. You're such a sturdy little wagon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, great balance. Stand on one leg, put your foot on your ankle, and reach your arms up. Now sway them slowly. You are a tree blowing in a W-shaped wind. Your branches move back and forth in the breeze, but your roots stay deep and still. Stay steady on that one leg. Sway your green leaves gently. Hold your position, we are almost there. You're a strong, tall tree in the windy weather. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Lie on your tummy. Put your hands by your sides and lift just your head and chest a tiny bit. You are a sleepy walrus resting on a big, cold, white ice cube. Look left and then right for your walrus family in the snow. Keep your chest off the chilly ice. It's cold on your tummy. Hold your position, we are almost there. You're such a happy, resting walrus. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, well done. Take one more big, deep breath in and blow it out slowly. You did a wonderful job with the letter W today. We were whales, waterfalls, and even wiggly worms. Notice how your body feels grounded and centered now. You are strong, you are smart, and you are wonderful. I can't wait to see you for our next letter. Namaste.
From A to Z, we stretched and we played, learned every letter, a yoga parade. We balanced and bent, we twisted and flew. Alphabet yoga, we love you. Stretch and learn, breathe and grow. Seeds of knowledge, watch them sow. With every pose, a letter we knew. Alphabet yoga, it's true.